Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you a $5 Goodwill challenge that is hosted by Hillary from the Old World Home, and I will have Hillary's channel linked down below for you to check her out if you don't know who she is, but I'm sure pretty much everybody knows who she is. I love her style. She does a lot of thrifting. A lot of her style is I would say like an old world home kind of thing. Well, I guess hence the channel's name. And she's such a sweet lady. Make sure you check her out if you haven't done so already. And there will also be a playlist linked down below. So just before anybody gets a little worked up, I did pick these up several weeks ago before all the mayhem happened. So I am located in Canada, and our thrift store is one of our thrift stores is Value Village. So I had picked up this board from Value Village for $3.99, and then these shutters were 5 for $3, and I'm using 2 of them. And as you can see, they're not the same color, so I'm going to paint all these 3 pieces the same color. And I will be using the Rust-Oleum Linen White chalk paint. And I didn't do a heavy coverage on here because I do want some of the wood to show through. So I'm gonna let this dry, and I'm going to paint these ones. So here they are. This one will be needing another coat because this one was more of a beige off-white, and this one I just pretty much covered the damaged parts. It seems to be fine just going that far. So I'm gonna let this dry now before I move on to what I'm gonna do with it. So going back to this board that has had a chance to dry, I thought I had a picture frame kit, but I can't seem to find it anywhere. So I'm not sure if I don't have it anymore or if I just misplaced it, but I can't go to the store to buy a new one. So I'm just going to have to figure out kind of a makeshift hanging thing. So I cut a piece of this twine, and I'm going to hot glue it. And once I am able to go to the store, I will get proper anchors for this. Now while this is drying, just a couple seconds, I'm going to show you what else I'm using. I'm using the charcoal chalked paint, Rust-Oleum chalk paint in charcoal, my stenciling brush that I picked up at Dollar Tree, a piece of paper just to take some of the paint off, and I have this stencil that says "This is us," and I will be using it for here. And the stencil came from Joann's. Just want to make sure I center it well. Okay, so I think I am pretty centered. Just to secure it, I'm going to put a tiny piece of tape on each side just to keep it in place. So I'm going to dip my paintbrush in, and I'm going to take almost all of it off, and I'm going to gently start stenciling it on. Okay, and now the reveal. Oh, I absolutely love the way that turned out. I am going to let it dry, and then I'm going to give it just a quick little sanding. So while that's sanding, I am going to, while that's drying, I'm going to attach the same hanging on each one of these. let that dry. I'm going to sand this down now. There we go. Now I'm going to put it all together. So here it is, all put together. The frame that is in the middle I made last year. It was part of a Look for Less challenge, and so I finally got to use it and make it the way I wanted. I think I'm going to replace the pictures with baby pictures, but I don't have any 5x7s at this time, so I just wanted to kind of give you an idea what it's going to look like. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time stopping by, I would love for you to consider subscribing. I do trash to treasure type of makeovers all the time, lots on my channel, so make sure you press that notification bell as well so you don't miss out when those uploads happen. And I would like to thank Hillary for hosting this challenge, and make sure you check out her channel as well as the playlist down below. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I can't wait to see everybody's what they got for $5. So until next time, thanks for watching.